The shortage of shells begins in the Russian army. The situation in the Tavria and Berdyansk directions of the front in Ukraine is beginning to resemble last year's operation of the armed forces of Ukraine in the Kherson region. This was announced by Ukrainian military expert Oleg Zhdanov. There, we destroyed the logistics of the Russian troops for a month and a half, and as a result, they decided to leave. If we advance at such a pace in the Tavria and Berdyansk directions, then we are ready to close the mark when the Russian artillery sits on a starvation ration. Their artillery will have at their disposal the ammunition that they produce. According to some information, the Far Eastern warehouses are starting to slowly run out, said a military expert. He recalled that in just 24 hours, the armed forces of Ukraine exploded 12 ammunition depots of Russian troops in the Tavria direction. Everything is on fire. Everything explodes. Bridges, railways and stations. At the same time, the expert clarified that in the Kherson direction, the armed forces of Ukraine were even more restrained military operations. Here we are conducting counter-offensive operations along the entire front line. I think the next week or two will show the main areas of concentration of our efforts, and we will understand what kind of combat tactics our general staff chooses, the expert added.